Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo for short to medium length hair. Start by dividing the hair from the ears forward and then just leave a little out to frame the face. Now split this section in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Angle this to the opposite side of the head. Now we're going to grab all the hair from the ear forwards on the opposite side, again leaving some out to frame the face, and we're just going to attach these two together with a clear elastic band towards the right hand side of the head. Then just pop your fingers behind that elastic band, grab that ponytail and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Next, apply some texture spray all over the twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then holding on to the end, I'm gently going to pinch and pull the very edge of each of those loops of the twist with my fingers to create more fullness. Then just secure the twist to the head through the centre and then one at each side just to keep it nice and secure. With the remaining hair, I'm just going to divide this in three and do a regular 3-strand braid, tying it off with another elastic band. Now taking the end, I'm just going to roll it up the braid itself until it gets to the nape of the neck, and then I'm going to turn it so it lays horizontal just under that twist we just pinned. Then secure it to the head all the way round using as many bobby pins as needed. And then to make it look a little bit more full, we're just going to pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that braid. Then curl the hair at the front away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.